Hi, welcome to this week's team training. So, for the next few weeks, I'm going to break down how I utilize what is known as attraction marketing. I'm going to walk you step by step on how you too can implement this into your business and grow your business. First off, let's go over what exactly is attraction marketing. It involves giving value and offering free content to pull prospective leads into your company. The attraction part of the equation is the important bit here. The idea is not to bang on about your merchandise or your company, but to grab people's attention on an unconscious level so that they don't really know they've been converted until they take an action. This is by Mega Perico, who wrote How to Use Attraction Marketing to Triple Your Leads. Now, attraction marketing is a way we can provide personalized service and information to our customers. In doing so, we're able to build a relationship, establish trust, and have a way to effectively engage with our customers. So here's a list of 10 benefits using attraction marketing, specifically in direct sales, which is what we do, according to Brenda Stir. It's going to help you make sales and add new representatives to your team. It's going to help you build and maintain relationships with customers. It's a great way to build your email list. It's going to have customers begin to trust you. It's a great way to build a brand, help you grow a following on social media. You'll be able to help empower and inspire others. It's a useful tool that's going to help you create a follow-up system that is going to be unique to your business. And one of the big benefits for me personally, it's an inexpensive way to market your business. Also, it's going to help you stay positive and optimistic, even on those hard days that we will get from time to time. Now, when done correctly, this is the process your consumers are going to go through. They're going to have a problem. You provide a solution. They either will buy right then or there, or they'll become a lead, in which you will follow up with until they do decide to buy or join your team. And honestly, you should have a follow-up system even if they do buy from you right away. Then, once they are happy and enjoy your service and what you offer them, they're going to be more likely to refer you and spread the word. So here's how you're going to implement attraction marketing. You're going to first decide who your targeted audience is. We're going to create an implementation plan and routine. Then you're going to learn how to make your content in advance. You're going to set up a follow-up system. And then you're going to every so often review and evaluate what's working and make adjustments as needed. So over these next few weeks, these are going to be the topics I'm going to be going over with. And we're going to start off with deciding who your targeted audience is. Personally, I just love how Kayla Carmichael explains what attraction marketing is in her article, Attraction Marketing, What It Is and How to Use It. She says, with attraction marketing, instead of giving off the message of, this is why you need it, you're going to be more focusing on, this is why I need it. This is why I love it. This is why I use it. See the difference? Consumers want to know how to achieve the goals that you're achieving. Your makeup, how you manage your oily skin, how you are accessorizing your looks. Whatever it may be, they want to know how you do it so they can do it too. So how do you know who you're marketing to? Well, the answer is real simple. It's you. Yes, you. Now, what do I mean by that? So you need to remember that you are a consumer just as much as your customers are. I would hope that if you're selling Avon, it's because you believe in and enjoy using Avon products. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that you need to love every single one of Avon products, but there's going to be at least one product when you at least signed up that you do love. Now, if you don't like Avon or are not using Avon in your daily life, then you're probably in the wrong company. I mean, think about it. Would you buy from someone who didn't believe in their product? Would you go to a restaurant for the restaurant owner doesn't believe in the food he's serving? Would you go and shop with another business with the salespeople don't believe in their product? No, you're not. Why would you? By targeting consumers who are just like you, it's going to make it so much easier to know what to market and how to market your business. So, these are the questions that you need to know when deciding who you're targeting. These are questions that you should be asking even if you want to create a customer base that is not like you. You want to know what their lifestyle is like, their habits, their goals, their fears, their needs, their interests. Think about what makes you decide to purchase something. What is it that makes you decide to click the buy button? What makes you decide to grab and purchase something at the store? Also, where do you go to for advice or recommendations? Do you follow influencers? If so, what platform? What influencers do you follow? Do you look at reviews? If so, where? Are you looking on the company's website? Are you looking at blog posts? Are you looking at Google? Where do you find answers to your problems? And lastly, who do you enjoy doing business with? What makes you support certain businesses over other businesses of the same field? Why do you go to McDonald's rather than Burger King? Why do you go to one grocery store over the other? Do you prefer Walmart or Target? Why? So for me, by focusing my marketing on what I enjoy about Avon and how it helps me in my life, I'm able to better connect with my customers. A few weeks ago, we went over TikTok marketing. There, I showed you my most popular video with me sharing a tip on how I'm able to manage my oily T-zone with an Avon product. So I had a problem, and I was able to provide a solution with an Avon product. Now, those who have oily skin or combination skin, or those who know someone who has oily skin or combination skin, they're going to want to learn more about this product. You need to remember that though your goal with marketing is to reach as many people as possible, you really are only talking to one person at a time. So imagine it is you on the other end of the screen. What would make you click on that video or that post or that blog? Okay, so that is it for this week. Our next meeting, we will be going over how to determine where to market your business online and in person. Until then, I do want you guys to focus on who your targeted audience is. I actually created a PDF form that you can find in our group's file that you can actually fill out either through a PDF editor or you can print it out. And as always, I will repost the replay of today's video on our event page. And that is it. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and weekend. Until next week, bye.